So I just got my TCI unit from regulatorrectifiers.com. It was sitting on the neighbor's front porch. The UPS man can't seem to find my address half the time. But this is what it looks like. I haven't plugged it in yet. As you can see, I've already unplugged the other one. I'm getting ready to install this. So let's see how this goes. Hold on a second. There's all my wiring. Okay, now we got it all hooked up. Sorry if it goes all upside down and stuff. Get the keys. See what happens. Put it in neutral would help, I guess. Now I did notice the two plugs for the, I guess what you call the boost sensor wasn't on there, so, and I kind of got rained on. That's the only reason I came home. But I will try to take it out for a test spin here in a second, see how it does, and let you all know.